Tabletop Scukpture. We continue making our intuitively created objects. So this is the barn that I showed you last time, and these are the tools that we can make some ornament designs or other kind of beautifications. I will take this piece with many sides, and on each side I will make different texture made of these different things. Well, first I will take the thing from the household, which is the food stick, which, the cheapest ones are the best ones, because here on the top they have a rectangular shape, and with this with one angle we can make shapes like this. I put it just like you see, with an edge inside, and it makes a perfect triangle. It resembles something. What does it look like? Maybe if I put it a little bit at another angle, I will get a smaller triangle. You see? And if I'm putting it at a bigger angle, then I will get a longer triangle. Yes, it is exactly the shapes that the cuneiform is composed. The oldest Mesopotamian writing system in Babylonia. They used it. They used exactly, almost the same sticks. They were actually triangular chips of papyrus, and they put them like this, and they created various shapes from them. And they had, like, I think 3 sizes of the signs: long, middle, and the small one. Small ones were like dots, middle ones like signs, and these are like lines. And they created all kinds of letters, syllables, and hieroglyphs from this. You see? That's how the cuneiform works, and that's how we can make interesting designs, interesting ornaments, interesting texture. We can also actually probably make something different. Let me try. If I reverse this and put it here, then we are receiving the something different, something more complicated. Just by reversing the piece, and just by pressing, you see, I'm using one and the only tool, but I'm using it smart, you see, and I forgot interesting shape. Okay, that's it with triangles. Okay, here we have a rectangle. Well, we can press it like this, and we will get this kind of shapes, like a house, windows in the house. Well, this is another type of food stick, which has a narrow end and a wider end. So we can put dots like this, arbitrary or in some kind of system, or we can put dots, bigger dots like this, and you see it's not arbitrary, it doesn't get arbitrary. Or we can take both. We can make these and we can make these in between them, and it will also look nice. Well, by the way, if we have a round shape, then we can put it on the side, and we will have a half well, I wanted to make a half circle, but since this is not the exact well, it's a little bit rounded, it turned out to be some more interesting, more alive shape. Okay, let's leave it like this. We can make half circles with this kind of, with this side, which is more precise and more flat. You see? What else? So we already used this. Again, here is another triangle, and here you can see the effect of triangles even more defined. I make a triangle 1, 2, 3 here. So I will make something different. I will turn it around and make the opposite triangles, and all of them, and two rows, compose a very interesting shape. Okay, I ran out of sides, so I will show you some other designs on some other piece in the next video, and this is the hint of what I'm going to show you.